Next-gen authentication, ethical hacking perspectives. Next-gen authentication goes beyond traditional username-password combinations, exploring innovative and multifaceted approaches to verify user identity. Ethical hacking, a practice where security professionals simulate cyber attacks to identify weaknesses, plays a pivotal role in shaping next-gen authentication strategies. Biometric authentication advancements. Biometric authentication, once confined to the realms of science fiction, has rapidly become a mainstream component of next-gen authentication, revolutionizing the way users prove their identity. Behavioral authentication. Behavioral authentication represents a cutting-edge approach to next-gen authentication, shifting the focus from physical attributes to individual patterns of behavior. Blockchain and authentication. Blockchain technology, renowned for its foundational role in cryptocurrencies, is increasingly making inroads into the realm of authentication, offering a decentralized and tamper-resistant approach to verifying user identity. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Multi-factor authentication represents a pivotal advancement in fortifying digital security, offering a versatile and layered approach to user authentication. Passwordless authentication. Passwordless authentication marks a paradigm shift in the landscape of digital security, challenging the conventional reliance on traditional passwords for user verification. Regulatory compliance in next-gen authentication. The integration of next-gen authentication technologies is not only a matter of technological advancement but also requires careful consideration of regulatory compliance. Conclusion. In conclusion, the exploration of next-gen authentication, ethical hacking perspectives, reveals a dynamic and evolving landscape at the intersection of cutting-edge security measures and ethical considerations. Next-gen authentication is ongoing, marked by a commitment to continuous improvement and adaptability in the face of emerging threats.